First, we're going to remove the weights on the rim. Make sure they're on both sides. Make sure they're all removed. Next, we're going to remove the valve stem and deflate the tire. Next, we're going to position the tire with the valve stem either at the 6 o'clock or the 12 o'clock position so we don't damage it when we break the bead on the tire. When we do this, we make sure we use care not to damage the rim. Put the device in between the rim and the rubber of the tire to break the bead on the tire, ensuring we do not damage the rim or touch the rim. Reposition to break the bead on the other side of the tire, opposite side of the tire. Now we'll turn the tire around and break the inside bead of the tire, just as we did the front side of the tire. Once again, we'll position the tire to ensure we do not damage the valve stem. Ensuring we do not damage the rim also when we use the machine to break the bead. After breaking the bead of the tire, we'll install the tire on the top of the machine and lock it in place with the lever on the right hand side. Once we do that, we'll use the swing arm, position it on the rim, next to the rim, close to the rim. As you lock the swing arm down, it comes up 1/4 of an inch, so it will not touch the rim. Using the tire iron tool, we will get underneath the bead and pull it up and get it on the machine so we can remove the tire. We'll do the same thing with the inside. Move the swing arm, the tire is down, removed. We'll go through the process of putting the tire back on. We'll lubricate the bead to ensure we don't damage it when we install the tire. Both sides of the tire bead will be lubricated. Reinstalling the swing arm, locking it in place, and positioning the tire where it's same thing, positioning the tire so we can install it. Tire is installed. Now we will inflate the tire. Pushing down the tire to seat the bottom of it. Hooking up the air hose. grabbing the tire to lift up on it to seat it so it will hold air. Tire is now holding air and seated. Checking my pressures, looking for my valve stem. Get ready to reinstall the valve stem. Here we are. Now we're installing the valve stem. Valve stem is installed. Now we'll finish airing the tire up to the specifications as listed for the described vehicle. Continue to put air in the tire until we get to the proper PSI. Task complete.